Yeah, see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna make this super quick. I just went to the store. I went shopping for myself. Got some groceries. I haven't done that in a while, and it just feels good. Like, I remember shopping for myself at college all the time. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that song I just played. What's your name? Put your head down. Let me see your hair. Yeah, girl. Say peace. So I ended up making chicken salad the other day. What happened yesterday? Honestly, I forget. But what happened? There was a clip before Nova. Oh, okay. I went to this little light up night thing with Brandon's little sister, and I watched her play with her friend. She got this toy for free. They let the kids pick, so that's a good thing. And she was just enjoying her night the whole night. It was cute. I took a whole bunch of pictures. I'm not gonna put them in here, but I took pictures and stayed with her. She enjoyed herself. That's all that matters. Yeah, but now I'm about to make me some chicken tenders because I bought a whole pack of chicken the other day from Aldi's, and I'm about to make me some chicken tenders. And there was something else I was gonna make with it, but I forget. But I'll show y'all. Oh, I just realized that we have fries, so I'm gonna eat me some chicken tenders and fries. And get some crinkle fries. And just pop them in the air fryer. And we good. Don't be laughing at my chicken, y'all, but this is how it turned out. Y'all, I have scratches on my head. I don't know how they got here. But like, right here. Right there. I think there's one right here. Yeah. But I made my fries, made my chicken. My dad loved it. He's back. He's in his room knocked out. But now I'm about to finish doing something. Hop on my game. Gonna put my cream on here. This is the sweater that I had on my last had on in my last vlog. My mom got this. She has one. I believe hers is either like just all tan or the red color. My sister got one. My niece got one. So we're all set for Christmas. But it is super cute, super warm. I sleep in it sometimes because that's just how warm it is. So yeah. Yo, these peaches are the best. The best peaches. Let me see. From Aldi's. They've been through so much too, y'all. This dad wanted a perfect Christmas, but nothing was going right. Early on the wake up, we got Nova. Yes. Don't mind my sink. This is the basement sink. If you have a basement, then you know. I am cleaning the stuff out of my kitchen, and I got this hot pot with bleach and dish soap. So let's see how clean it comes out. So if you fall outside, then you know what I just did with my hand. So I was over here. I had the boiling hot water with the bleach and the dish soap. Okay. So Nova came downstairs with me. I was trying to make sure she was cool while I was doing this stuff. So I stopped what I was doing with the turn on blade, turn on the heater, and I came back. Yo, why did I full blown grab the rag and I switched my hand around like this literal position into boiling hot water? My hand was on fire, y'all. It was hurting so bad. And honestly, I can still feel it a little bit. Like my hand is red still, but like, sheesh. Alright, y'all, so I'm doing the bottom part and I'm almost done. Thank goodness. Yo, Nova devoured an entire pizza. She ate all the toppings off the pizza, plus a piece from here. A whole pizza, y'all. A whole pizza. If you still don't know, I make candles. Hit me up for a candle. She's finally asleep. I'm about to get myself a pedicure. Nova sleeps, so I'm not trying to talk too loud. But I have all my stuff in a crate. Well, not a crate, but a little box inside a chest. So we'll get that together. And I'm gonna take a shower so my feet can be prepared. And I also gotta do my nails because I'm like, Nova. Say peace. Say bye.
Bye.
No, say bye.
Bye bye.